Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Topical Talks. Today we'll show you how to add midjourney to Discord server. Before start this video, make sure to subscribe our channel and click the bell icon for more updates. So let's get started. First of all, open your Discord and click on this Explore Discoverable server. Then search midjourney. And then click on midjourney, then scroll right down here and click midjourney bot. Then click on add app, select your server, then click continue, then click on authorize, prove that you are human. And here you can see I have successfully added midjourney to our Discord server. If you find this video helpful, make sure to subscribe our channel Topical Talks and we'll see you in the next video.